Hey YouTube, it's KShadow22 here, and I'm going to bring you a new educational video on the application that we've been working on. I believe this is video 4, so I might as well check while this is loading. So yes, this is video 4, and today we're going to be learning a bit more than what we have been learning. Well, I'm going to throw a lot at you today. So I don't know what I all covered in the past videos, for sure. So I'm just going to go over a code or two. So you can do me.windowstate equals Windows form state.minimize to minimize your form. That's one code I want you guys to know. And then when you're typing, this code will count how many characters are inside the text box. So this label right here, label 2, it's going to change when I start typing in this. So we're going to double click this. We're going to type label2.text equals len textbox1.text. Really quick, I'm going to show you what it does. And just in case if you guys have not a clue what I'm talking about. So you can see me typing. It's going to count it. So there's 10 characters right there. Or we can copy it and then it'll count by tens or whatever. So yeah, that's one thing. Now the next thing we're going to do is going to be really technical, and this will be in the description too. For this code. And what we're going to have is we're going to double click this. We're going to go under the events and we're going to go to key down. We're going to have if eCode equals keys equals enter, then we're going to want it to say if combo box 1 dot text equals calculator, then we're going to type form3 dot show and me dot hide. Me stands for since we're on form 2 right now in the coding, we would want to use me instead of form 2. It's a lot more faster and efficient. So now we have this code all set up, and we just want to make sure that calculator is under this list. Yes, it is. So now we're going to want to create a form 3. So just go here and make a form 3. I already did, so we're going to go over here now. And now you're going to want to add these buttons. There are 10, 11, 12. Wait. Yeah, 12 plus 4 equals 16. So 16 buttons we need to add, plus one label, and then also a text box. And then once you've got, you might want to pause the video. Then once you've gotten that, just continue the video. Now what we're going to want to do is go to each number individually. So button 0, which is 0 on here. So 0. We're going to type textbox1.append text 0. Then 1, textbox1.append text 1. We're just going to do that for each individual number. Then for the decimal, we're going to do textbox1.text, and then we're going to make it add a period, a dot. Then equals, we're going to change this. So it's going to say if label1.text equals plus, then it's going to say textbox1 equals the value of my dot settings plus the value of textbox1. So it's like adding it or whatever. But we're going to want a try function, which I did not think of. So you just type try and click enter, and it'll write down the rest of the code for you. Just in case if someone accidentally puts 2 decimals, it won't freeze out the application. And then we're going to say message box.show. We're going to say x dot message dot toString. Then we're going to make error, and then that will be our message in case if there's an error. Now for the plus sign, or like the multiply sign, all of these are pretty much the same. You're just changing the symbol. So if we're saying label1.text equals an x. My dot settings equals the textbox1.text. So it's It's moving the data that you inputted into the settings of this application. And then you're going to have my.settings.save. And I'm really sorry, I totally forgot that you need to go to Project and to YouTube Properties or whatever your thing's called. You're going to want to add first setting. Then once you've done that and you've added all the codes of these, you don't really need any for this unless you want to add some secret typing shortcuts. Then you can do that. Or you can do, yeah, just do that. So then let's give this a try. KShadow22, YouTube, and enter. Let's go down to calculator and hit enter. Now let's do 5 times. So you can see it displayed that, and it just shot the 5 over into the settings. 5 and it equals 25. But then we can also do add 90 equals 115. So it keeps your data over and over. So you can just do divide by, I can't do that. Let's do 5. Be simple. 23. And then let's say we want a minus 3. And then let's add 16. Then we can also divide by 6. Give us 6. Then we can even minus 6. And then we can get to 0. But you're probably wondering, how do I get a decimal? So probably if you want to do, oh my gosh. So 5.5 divided by 0.5 equals 11. So yeah, you can divide with decimals. You can do whatever with decimals. 0 equals 0. Oh, infinity. I don't know what just happened there. So pretty much now what we're going to do is, let's see here. We're going to try a few things. So let's do 5 multiplied by 0.5. We should get a decimal. Yep. So there you have it, a very basic calculator. And there are a few more codes I want to show you for this. If we want to go to form3._load, then we're going to want to go to the events, and then form closing, and we want to put form2.show. And I'm not sure if you guys saw the code earlier, but we do want to use the hide function, not close. It will make the application run a lot more faster. So there we go. We have the calculator, and I want you guys to stay tuned for the next video. We will be doing binary code. Okay, so the binary code may be very confusing to you guys, but just please stay tuned. I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you guys next time.